Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share you face cleaning method by using three of products like Himalaya Purifying Face Wash and coconut oil and Biotin Papaya Deep Cleaning Face Wash. So three are products that very effectively I will show you how to use and how to clean effectively your face. So let's get started. First, let's start it by removing any makeup or any impurity from your skin using coconut oil. Coconut oil is a fantastic natural makeup remover and also helps to moisturize your skin. Just take a small amount of coconut oil and massage it into your face in circular motion. It will help to dissolve your makeup and dirt and excess oil. If you massage for a long time, it will remove your dead skin also. Once you massage it for a minute, wipe it off with warm water or damp cloth. This will leave your skin feeling clean and hydrated. So you can see I did not apply any makeup on my face, so I will not remove oil on my face. So I will directly jump on next step. So I will use Biotin Papaya face wash once my massage is done. So next we were going to deep clean our skin with the Biotin Papaya cleaning face wash. The face wash is increased with the papaya which helps to exfoliate skin and cells and renewal or brightening complex. Take a small amount of the face wash, lather it up and apply it to your face. Gently massage in circular motion. You can see I am applying in circular motion only about 30 seconds. So you can cover your whole face. You can scrub your lips also, as there is a particle or you can say there is a like scrub type of particle. So you can apply all your face, and you can don't forget to apply your neck also. Then once I apply in circular motion, I will rinse off the face wash with the lukewarm water. Gently pat your face dry with a towel. Your skin should be feel refreshed and rejuvenating. So finally, let's use Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash to keep your skin clean and free from bacteria and infections. Neem has the antibacterial property that helps to prevent acne and purify your skin. So again, take a small amount of face wash, lather it up and gently massage into your face. If you have a pimples, focus on any problematic area, and again rinse with the water. Pat your face dry. Your skin should feel new, clean and refresh. Also it's feel purified. And that's it. With these three steps, you can achieve a effective face cleaning routine. And coconut oil removing your makeup, moisturize your skin. Biotin papaya deep cleaning face wash, exfoliate your skin, brightening your skin. And last is Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash. It's keep your skin healthy and clear. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.